I'm Hasbe with WTI, and if you're here it's because you want to know more about this amazing Peter Pan peanut butter. Well, let me tell you that I love this creamy honey roast peanut butter spread from Peter Pan because it tastes different. It's not your regular peanut butter spread. I love that it does taste like honey roast, and that's why it's so special to me. I love how creamy it is, how easy it is to spread on my crackers or sandwiches. It is delicious. This is also good to make smoothies in case you're a gym lover, and I do think it's outstanding. My husband loves it. He had never tried it, but ever since he tried this one that I always use, he has been obsessed with it. So if you're a peanut butter lover just like me and you haven't tried this one, it's your time to do so. Peter Pan has so many different kinds of peanut butters, but this one is just wonderful and you should try it too. And that's my point of view.